guys, what's up? It's your boy, your agent JW. I want to get in, show you some plays I've gotten in over the past week. Some of them, but today I got in EGY. I like what it was doing. I like how it looked on the daily, as far as on this uptrend right here. It started up here, I set an alert here to see if it would come down, but it didn't come down to resistance, so it broke through support here, went all the way up to support here, came down back to resistance, back to support, I'm sorry, and it shot up and broke through resistance today. So I looked at it today. I seen it on the hourly, and I seen how it came back down to support, and I got in right here today around 5:55. So right now it's hovering at 5:51 in the aftermarket. So what I think it's going to do is going to come down here, and hopefully I'm thinking it's going to go back up. So we'll check back. We'll check back with that in a few days to see what it does. Another play I'm in is Hive. I got in that today. I like Hive because it's on this uptrend on the daily. It's on this little uptrend right here. As you can see, this little uptrend is starting to go up. I should have bought near this support line here, which I'm kind of there, but not exactly. I'm a little higher than what I should have been. Maybe I should have got down around here, around 218. I got in at 223 today. And what I seen on the hourly was I seen how it broke through this resistance right here and how it was retraced back down. So I got in here, but in the aftermarket, it went down to the trend line, which would have been a good time for me to buy there. But I think we're okay. I think it's going to go back up. I'm not worried because it's down right there. Now, if it goes past that, I might start thinking about getting out. If it goes past this trend line here, I might think about getting out. But as far as right now, looks like it's down to 216. We're at 223, so not bad. Another play I'm in is APTX. I got in last week sometime, I believe. And what I liked about it, it's starting to uptrend. As you can see, the MA is going up. It broke through resistance. Resistance here. Went all the way up to resistance again. And came back down to support, which is where I got in at 301. That's when I noticed it was that it was retracing. So I hopped in, and we're currently at around 329, 330. So I'm holding on to that for a while. I set my target here at 381. It could go higher. Also could come back down, but I'm not scared right now. It's the price action is showing me that I'm in a good position. All right. Okay. Another play I'm in is ASRT. ASRT is my other play. I got in ASRT a few days ago. I liked how it was starting to uptrend, how it is on this trend line right here. So I should have got in maybe when it touched this trend line right here. I should have got in there, but I got in up here, and I think it's going to go up Right now we're at 259. It's at 266. So we'll see how it does. Another play I got in a few days ago was Prog, PROG, and I noticed that buy level was here. So I got in a few times here. It went against me. I got out, got in a few times, probably a couple times, and then I noticed this trend line is starting right here. Probably can see it better here. This trend line, this red trend line there, started going up, and I got in at 158. Right now we're at 190. So I think it could possibly go. It could go to 3, and if I'm really lucky, it could go to 450. So right now I'm holding on to it, seeing what it does. I like the candlesticks. When I look at the candlesticks and do my support and resistance lines, I kind of stay with the body, because the wicks seem like, I just noticed that with the wicks that it's a quick, like if it goes up, it's resistance hits right there. So, or support hits right there where the wick is. A quick support, quick, it just seems like the bodies just work better for me. But I'm not saying that's the holy grail, a way of doing things. The next play I got in was CPSS, and I got in today. I noticed that the this long body, right here, and it came back down to retracement level, and that's when I got in at. On the hourly, you can see it better. You see it broke through resistance. It broke through resistance, got all the way up here the other day, and today it came down, retraced back down to the support level. So I would say this is my resistance level right here, 1477 area, and we're at 12. I got in at 1260. It's at 1265 currently, and actually it's at 12. What is that? It's at 1265, 1270 actually. So we're up 10 cents right now. So we'll see how that goes. The other play I got in was NGL. I got in that today, which I noticed that earnings, it gapped all the way down to the support and went a little bit past the support, which I got in at 199, and it is currently at about 190, about $2. So if you look on the daily, you can see that it could possibly go up to 275. So I'm going to hold it out and see what happens. So that's the plays I'm in. I'll check back. I'll record in the next couple of days. I'll check back with you guys and see where we're at. So it's your agent JW. Welcome to my channel. Talk to you guys soon. Okay, take care. All right, what's up, guys? Real quick, yesterday I told you I was in CPSS at 1266. And I got out at 9. I think it came down to $9. I got in out of it, and I seen it was going back up, but I seen they had a conference call, so maybe that had something to do with it. Right now it's at 10.50. I got in at 10.30, so I'm hoping it's going to go back up, possibly $15. So we'll keep an eye on it, and I'll let you guys know what it does. All right, just wanted to update you on CPSS. If you look at it on the daily, you'll see it came all the way down here, and I got out. Now, I feel like it's going to go back up. I mean, it's a good stock, it's going in the right direction. So, it's Friday the 10th, and a lot of stocks were going down, but that was the only one I got out of from what I told you about yesterday. So, everything else is looking good. Nothing to be too concerned about. We're still in the profit. Everything is still in the profit except ASRT, which is at 252. I'm just thinking it's going to play this trend line that right here, this red trend line I got going up here. It might come down to that, but if it breaks that, I might think about getting out. Hive is also down to 209. It's still playing the trend line. Looks okay, and the MA is still closing above the MA. So as long as it stays there, I think I'm good. Prog, it went down today, but it's still showing it. It's still maintaining the support level, above the support level. It's also above my entry price, which was 158. It's at 172. And CPSS, I told you I got in at 1030. It's now going back up to 1055. Hopefully it goes back to where I first entered. I got out, so hopefully I can make some of my money back. Fingers crossed, though. We'll see how that goes. All right. I'll get in touch with you guys after the weekend and see where we're at. All righty. All right. What's up, guys? We had a few plays that we got stopped out of today. And PROG. Still looking good. We're in at 158. It's at 185. Still going to uptrend. Showing the uptrend. I like how it is. Still hasn't closed below the 8 MA. And it's riding the 8 MA basically. So what I'm hoping for is that it will hit this resistance, hit this support line, and shoot back up. And we'll see how that goes. Take a look how it looks on the hourly. Not too bad. Came down, went up, came down to a little bit below the resistance level, support level, then shot back up. But this might be a little concerning right here. I might be getting out of this soon. Showing a little downtrend, higher low right here. So might be getting out of that soon. Not too sure what I'm going to do yet, but it looks like it might be going down. But we'll see tomorrow how it goes. NGL. See how that looks on the daily. Still looking good. We got in at 199. It's at 226. ASRT. I sold my shares of ASRT today, which I don't think I should have because it just came down to the trend line here. And it will probably be going back up. So we got out of that one today. CPSS. We got back in at 10:30, and it's at 10:76 right now. This is another one. Not too sure what's going on here, but I'm gonna keep an eye on it. See how it looks on the hourly. Came all the way down, went through support level, and it's going up. We'll see if it can break through this resistance. We'll see how that goes. APTX. I'm still in APTX. I got in at 301. It's at 332. It's hanging above. It's hanging above this support level. So I think it'll be all right there. Let's check the hourly. Yeah, it's hanging around here, trying to break resistance. Came back down. It might come down to support and shoot up. That's what I'm hoping for. Now, Hive is one. I got stopped out of Hive today. Another one. I should have stayed in, but I think it's hovering around this support level, and it'll go back up. But the way it is on this trend line here, it went past it, so I'm not sure about that one. EGY. We got in at 550. It's at 547 right now, but it came a little bit past the support level. Still seems like it's going on an uptrend. Check out the daily. Still going up. Came down, hit the resistance. Hit the support level, and pretty sure it'll probably go back up. And that's it. That's my plays. And that's where we're at currently. So I'll keep you posted. Take care.